Running a company entails far more than just incorporation and opening a bank account. You need extra support to advance your business forward and tap into its full potential. This is where our additional services come into play. These vital services offer the support and guidance you need for effective company management. To get started, head to the Additional Services tab in the left menu. Select the company for which you need services. If it's managed by BBC Incorp, simply choose its name from the list. If it's not managed by BBC Incorp, meaning the company was not set up using our service, select Add Company and fill in the required details. Remember to recheck the information carefully before moving on. Once you've done that, click the Add More Service button to start adding the services you need. Note that the services and fees can vary depending on the jurisdiction. Some of the key services we provide include Virtual Office. Establish your business presence in prestigious locations without having to physically be there. Document Retrieval. We help you access vital corporate documents from authority and government agencies. Corporate Continuity and Closure. Handle company restoration and dissolution procedures with ease. Physical Shipping. Ensure your important documents, corporate materials, and files are delivered securely. After adding all the services you need, click Next to proceed to checkout. You can review your order in the Summary section on the right and choose your payment method to finalize your order. Once we receive your transaction, a successful payment notification will appear on your screen. Follow the instruction for the next steps, and our team will be in touch shortly to assist with the remaining procedures. With BBC Incorp Client Portal, rest assured your annual obligations and additional needs for growing your business are taken care of. Count on us to deal with the hassle for you. Get in touch with BBC Incorp team today for timely support.